What's up, guys? Welcome back again to my channel and to my kitchen. So here I wash my fish. Now you want to ensure that you wash it very well and then you want to pat dry it. Alright, so these are my seasoning. I have some salt, lemon, pepper seasoning. I also have some other seasoning that I will list in the description box as well. Now I'm also using this seasoning. It can be used for chicken, pork, fish, even on your vegetable. Alright, so you can always use your favorite seasoning. I'm using mine. Now I added some paprika to the mix as well, and some garlic powder and black pepper. So the paprika gives the fish a nice beautiful color, so you want to ensure that you use some. Now I'm gonna add some oil to the seasoning. I want to make a paste to season the fish with. Alright, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now bear in mind that you could also use melted butter if you like, or you don't need to add any oil if you don't want to. Alright, but for me the paste season the fish better, so that's why I'm using it. Now I totally forgot to add the slits to my fish, so you see when I start seasoning the fish and then I remember to make the slits. Alright, so don't make that mistake that I made. So you want to ensure that you season the fish nicely and rub it in nicely, guys. I'm using my hand, but if you like, you could use like a pastry brush, or if you want to use the spoon. Now guys, I hope you enjoy my content. If you are, then please give me a thumbs up, and also share the video. Get my channel to grow, tell others about my recipes. I always try to make interesting and delicious recipes, so I appreciate it if you share the video. And also subscribe if you are new and turn on your notifications so you never miss another upload. Now I'm making some slits into the fish. Alright, so the slits enables your fish to be well seasoned, because while I season the fish, the season will go into the slits as well, or the crevice. Alright, so for me it is a must, so if you would like to do it as well, then it's a plus for you. Alright, added flavor. It also gives the fish a nice presentation that I love to see, make the fish look pretty and nice. But if you don't like to make slits into your fish, then you don't necessarily have to do it. Alright, so we're going to season the fish nicely. Make sure that you have your oven preheated. I am preheating mine at 200 degrees Celsius. Now you want to ensure that you preheat your oven at this time, because guys, fish don't need to marinate. Alright, it has its own flavor, so you just want to season it and just bake it. Alright, so I added some seasoning into the fish as well inside of the fish. You don't only want to season outside, guys, you want inside of flavor as well. So that's what I'm doing here. So you could use your favorite type of fish. I'm using snapper fish, but what if you like tilapia or grunt or any other fish? Any fish can be used. Alright, so not every type, cause like the butterfish, that could bake. Alright, but some fish we can take it, then you just do your thing. Alright, now the fish is well seasoned, so I'm using a baking dish and also a wire rack. Alright, so I'm gonna place the fish onto the rack, but ensure that before you place the fish onto the rack, you want to grease it very well, because you don't want the fish to stick. Alright, so I grease mine with some oil. Now I'm gonna add scallion and thyme into the fish just to add additional flavor, but it's not a must. Alright, so I'm gonna place the fish in the oven after I'm finished adding the thyme and the scallion, and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's done. You know, every oven different, so my oven can be hotter or it can be slower than yours or faster than yours. So you know, you bake it based on your oven, right? So my fish, they are out of the oven. They have a nice beautiful golden brown color and they smell amazing and they taste even better. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and click subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also please share the video. It really helps my channel to grow. Now you can have your fish with anything you like. You can even eat like this, but today I'm gonna have mine with some turned cornmeal. I also made some sauce to go with it, because you know I'm not a person who like to eat my food just like that. I love to have sauce for my food. So you know, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna make up on myself straight.